Victory.ai is a software platform that uses artificial intelligence to automate customer service interactions. It uses natural language processing and machine learning techniques to understand and respond to customer inquiries, and can be integrated with popular customer service platforms such as Zendesk and Salesforce. To use Victory.ai, you would first need to sign up for an account and set up your customer service platform integration. You can then train the system using a set of example customer inquiries and responses so that it can learn to understand and respond to similar inquiries in the future. Once the system is trained, it can handle customer service interactions automatically, routing inquiries to the appropriate department and providing automated responses. You can also monitor and optimize the performance of the system through a dashboard, which provides metrics such as response time and resolution. If you are still watching, make sure to like and subscribe. It is also possible to customize the Victory.ai software to suit the specific needs of your business and integrate it with other tools and platforms such as Zendesk, Salesforce, and Slack. Share the video with friends and hit the like button. Also subscribe.